Hello, it's Darla. Guess what? It is book launch day today. I'm so excited. My book, Shift the Field, How to Deliver the Transformation Your Clients Crave While Unlocking the Magic You Were Born to Share, is now available to order on Amazon and all major online retailers. And if you would be so kind as to check it out on Amazon and order it this week, it will really help my bestseller campaign. And this book is designed for coaches, consultants, creatives, and healers who want to help their clients shift their energy first, to shift from that default energy that's old and tired and heavy and stagnant into a new energy, what I call sourced energy, that's present, it's alive, it's vibrant, and it is a reflection of who you came here to be as a divine slice of source energy, who your soul came here to be. And so not only will reading this support you in being more in alignment with who your soul came here to be, but it will help you to do that for your clients much more easily, both one-on-one, but in particular in groups. So you're able to really understand your individual clients and where they are in this process of transformation. But also when you have a group of clients, you can keep a pulse on where each person is while still moving the group forward. So there's all kinds of information and resources in here. And the most exciting part is knowing this structure will help you relax into your magic or your intuitive gifts even more. You'll know when is the right time to share truth with your client and when it's not the right time to bring that intuitive knowing forward. That's my favorite part. I hope you love it as much as those who have read it said they do, and as much as I have loved birthing this, even though parts of it I haven't loved. I really have allowed this to come through in the way and the direction that it really wanted to be born. It's been retitled, revamped since I started it, and I think it's really great. shiftthefield.com, or you can click over to Amazon. I'll put a link and grab a copy. You'll get entered. You'll get all kinds of cool launch week stuff as well. And celebrate with me in the comments. Thanks so much. See you soon.